Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna be recreating a beautiful recipe from Papa G Low Carbs. I like to watch him. He has amazing recipes. So I saw this one. I'm like, I like this, and I'm pretty sure my subscribers will like it. Okay, so it's called pan seared fish with a crab cream sauce. This is low carb. This is low calorie, keto and all that. It's amazing. So here are the ingredients we're going to be needing. I'm going to make sure I put every ingredient in the description box below. It doesn't have like a specific measurement, but I'm going to use the measurements that I used to make this amazing recipe. Okay guys, so the type of fish I'm using is catfish, which is the same thing you use, but feel free to use any kind of fish you have. It just has to be filleted, okay? That's what it calls for. And you're going to be needing crab meat. The crab meat has to be original. It cannot be imitation crab. Original makes it much more better, all right? And I'm using olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. It has toasted garlic in it. So this recipe, I added some of my own twist to it, to make it kind of my own, but majority of the ingredients belongs to Papa G. All right, I'm gonna put his link below. You can go and watch how he made his own. You can follow him or follow me, whichever way you want. It's all good. We're just trying to eat healthy, okay? You're gonna be needing heavy whipping cream, salt, Worcestershire sauce, and all that, and of course your pan, baking pan, in your frying pan, because it's gonna go from frying to baking. All right. So anyways, what I'm doing over here is placing the fish on the pan. You can use your tray because I just want to coat it with butter, lemon pepper, and Old Bay. That's just what I want to do here. Okay, the spices, some of the spices, that's just what I'm doing. So I'm brushing in with the melted butter. You have to use unsalted butter, guys. You can add salt here while you're doing this, but I didn't. I just decided to skip because I know most of those spices were already salty. So we try to be low on sodium, guys. Okay, so anyway, so that's just what I'm doing here. Watch and see. You see that? That's the seasoning. If you don't have Old Bay, use any Cajun seasoning you have or any civil seasoning. Now lemon pepper is my twist. It wasn't in the original recipe, but like I said, it's good to add your own stuff when you are recreating. It's not like it's bad to do the same thing, but I like to add my own things, and also definitely I added my chili pepper, my African pepper. So I put in the oil on the pan, making sure it smears the whole pan, because if you don't oil your pan properly, your fish is gonna stick to the pan and it might burn. So you want it to be well oiled, and then you go ahead and fry. We're gonna be frying this 3 minutes on each side. I'm starting with the flesh, the meat part first. Okay, so when I'm done with that, like 3 minutes, then I'm just gonna go ahead and flip it over, add more spices, and then fry the other side, and then it's gonna go into the oven. It's as simple as that. Very simple. So as you can see, I poured the remaining butter and I added more lemon pepper and all the seasoning. I'm going to allow it to cook in the butter. That will help it not burn. The oil is not going to burn. And also it's going to help the seasoning to go in properly into the fish, the spices. Here I'm just flipping it over. Be careful. I'm flipping it over, allowing the other side to also cook for 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it out, put it in the baking pan, place it in the oven for like 7 minutes depending on your oven, and basically we're done with the fish, and then we go ahead and start making the sauce. So as you can see, I brought another stick of butter, the unsalted butter, cut it into some chunks, and now I'm melting it in the medium heat. It has to be a medium heat, guys, please. So I'm melting it, and after I melt, I'm gonna go ahead and add the crab meat, the whipping cream, stir it, and then the crab meat and all the seasoning. I'm just gonna allow it to cook in its juice properly, and then I'm gonna allow the liquidness to kind of dry up a little bit. You want it to be not too liquidy like this. You just want it to be kind of thick, like a sauce will actually be. So that's all I'm doing here. The African chili pepper that I put was just to give it a little kick. You could put just a flake, or you leave it, or you put regular American chili. But you know me, if you've been following me, I like my spiciness, So that's just why I added it, okay? While you're adding your spices, continue to stir until you achieve your desired consistency, okay? For me, I made it stewy, kind of. It wasn't all that creamy. So, you know what you like, so make it like that, because this sauce is going to be going right on top of the baked fish. You see, now I'm adding the Worcestershire sauce. Amazing, amazing, guys, believe me. So I added more lemon since I didn't add salt, or just a little salt in the sauce, but I added more lemon to give it that tangy taste, of course. So you see that? Now that's the crab meat going in there. You're going to stir. Do not leave it. It's going to burn. You have to stay by it, please. So you see now the fish is almost ready. Just one more minute here and I'll bring it out. Voila, that's the fish. The fish is perfectly okay, ready to be consumed by moi. You can make yours. So this is me dishing it out. Put in the sauce, placing the sauce on top of the fish. Guys, it was amazing. And then just finish garnishing it with the remaining green onions or spring onions. You see that? Oh, I can imagine putting fresh parsley on this. That will be good. Look at that. Don't you like it? Please go and give this a try, and don't forget to visit Papa G, okay? Thank you so much for joining. I appreciate you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.